don't even know how many people are cloning other creators' channels using AI and making thousands of dollars from YouTube. And YouTube is actually pushing these kinds of videos and making them go viral. I'm not joking. Just take a look at this channel. It gained more than 65,000 subscribers with only 45 videos, and that too in a very short period of time. This channel hasn't even been around for 3 full months yet, and its videos are already getting millions of views. And today, we're going to see step by step exactly how this cloning process works, but with a tool that does it all in one place. That tool is Pippit AI. Now, there's probably one question on your mind. Can channels like this actually get monetized? And the answer is yes, absolutely. Channels like this can definitely get monetized, but only when you know the right way to clone a channel. Some people think channel cloning means creating a new channel, copying the entire video from the channel they want to clone, and uploading it to their own channel. And then they think, there you go, the channel has been cloned. But bro, if you do that, the person whose video you copied only needs to send one email to YouTube. YouTube will hit your channel with a copyright strike and completely wipe it out. To protect yourself from all of this, there is a proper way to clone a channel, and that's exactly what you're going to learn in this video, so your channel doesn't face any kind of problem, and you can start earning from it as quickly as possible. To clone any channel the right way, you used to need multiple tools: a script generator, an image generator, a video generator, and a voiceover tool. But with Pippit AI, you don't need any of that. Pippit has a game-changing feature called Reference Video. It can decode the creative DNA of almost any video, its structure, motion, pacing, and visual style, and recreate a brand new version with your own characters or products. And the best part, it uses the latest Seedance 2.5 model, which delivers cinematic quality and maintains impressive visual and character consistency, even in videos up to 2 minutes long. So we won't jump between multiple websites. From referencing, cloning, to final editing, everything can be done right inside Pippit. Forget about writing long scripts or generating prompts in external AIs. Pippit's reference video feature does the heavy lifting for you. First, you find a viral video that you want to clone. It can be a dancing video, a cinematic trailer, or even an educational clip. You can even specify the exact time range you want to reference. For example, from 5 seconds to 12 seconds of the uploaded video. Pippit will analyze the action, camera movements, pacing, and visual style of that specific segment. Then, with one click, it generates a new video that follows the same structure, but with your own changes, such as replacing the character, changing the background, or swapping the product. No complex prompt engineering, no third-party AI tools, just a simple and powerful video cloning process. Now, let me show you exactly how it works on screen. I'll open Pippit and go to the Reference Video tab. Next, I'll upload the downloaded file of a viral educational stickman video as the reference. You'll see the original on the left. Now, I'll enter the exact time segment I want to clone in the prompt. I can also upload a new character image if I want to replace the original stickman character. Then I hit generate. Look at this. Within seconds, Pippit produces a clip that has the exact same moves and rhythm, but with my character. The consistency is flawless. But that's not all. You can also use the built-in Seedream 5.0 Pro image model to create custom scenes, and then convert those images into videos with Seedance 2.5 model, all without leaving the platform. For example, if I want to create a new character for my stickman animation, I can paste the image prompt into Pippit's image generator. Then, for a long-form YouTube video, I'll select the 16:9 aspect ratio and click Generate. Within moments, I get a sharp cinematic image. I just click Add to Chat, paste the video prompt, choose Seedance 2.5 model, set length to 10 seconds, and generate. The result is stunning. Realistic motion, perfect lighting, and no glitches. So now I have all my video clips ready, either directly cloned from references or generated from prompts. And what does the final result look like? Take a look at this side-by-side comparison.
Imagine you haven't eaten in 2 days. You know exactly where the herd is. You tracked it yesterday. You found the prints. You mapped the route in your head, and now all you have to do is get there. And then it starts raining. Not a light drizzle. A heavy, soaking, wind-driven rain that doesn't stop. It goes all day, then all night, then the next morning, and it's still going.
Somewhere in your home, right now, there is a tiny sliver of metal with a hole punched through one end. But the hands that shaped it may not have been human at all. You've threaded it. You've probably cursed at it. You've almost certainly stabbed your thumb with it at least once. It is one of the most forgettable objects you own. You keep it in a drawer, and you never once think about it. It is also one of the oldest ideas your species ever had, because a version of that exact tool, a thin shaft tapered to a point with a narrow hole drilled clean through the blunt end.
Left original viral video. Right. My Pippit clone version, the structure, timing, and feel are almost identical, but it's my own original creation. No copyright issues at all. And the best part is that as soon as you sign up for Pippit AI, you receive free credits to test everything, including the reference video feature. That means you can visit the platform yourself and experience its power firsthand. I've placed Pippit's special tracking link right at the top of the description and inside the comment section. So go there right now. Check out Pippit AI and clone your first viral video the right way. Try it by yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.